7 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. This process will continue. 3 goes into 7 how many times? 3 times 9, which is greater, so 2 times. Write 2 here. 2 times 3, 6. If you subtract, you are getting 1. So our answer is 2, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and add number of zeros. Bring down the first zero, but before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 4 times 12, which is greater, so 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? Again 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. You can bring down more 0, but since we have gotten 3 places after decimal, you can place here 3 dot to mean that this process is continuing. So our answer is this. You can also place here a bar over 3 to mean that this 3 is repeating.